Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the lion from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cute lion, let's first start by drawing the nose area. So we're going to draw this big oval. So I'm going to come right here and draw this big curve. So it's kind of like a circular oval. And bring it down. And connect. There, so nice and round. And then from there, we're going to come to this edge right about here, and we're going to draw the nose. So right about here, really close to the edge, I'm just going to come right here and draw a soft curve, round it off, and connect. There. Then from there, we're going to draw the eyes. So let's see here. We're going to say about right here in this kind of corner area where it rounds off, we're going to come out. And about right here, I'm going to start and give myself a point and draw a circle for the eyes. And then I'm going to imagine the other eye. So just imagine this is a snout area. So it's going to curve up and about right here, I'll give myself a point. Hold on, let me fix this circle here. Okay, so about right here, I'm going to draw a curve. Just imagining the other side, right? This eye is kind of like at a side view right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with a curve and connect. There, so hopefully that helps. So you're just kind of imagining a snout area. So this curve right here to finish this eye. So then let's come right here, we're going to give it a little highlight. So I'm just going to draw a little circle right here and shade this all in black. And I'll just put a little highlight right here as well and shade this in black. There. Okay, so then now that my wobbly eyes in right there, let's go ahead, we're going to draw the face. So right about here, we're going to draw a little curve just to finish off the side of the face right here. And then this is going to be, imagine this coming through the eye, going up, and we're just going to go up and round. And then from the bottom part, we're going to, let's see here, let's just come center of your eye, come out, let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from here, we're going to draw the side of his face. So we're going to bring a curve down, and we're going to aim towards the bottom right here. So let's draw a curve, and we're just going to give kind of like the jaw area and then come in. There. So now we're going to imagine the center. This is the center. This is this big curve. So then the center would be about right here coming through. And so let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And I'm going to come down with a curve to connect. And then this side right here is going to be a little point, and then it's going to connect back to here. There, so hopefully that helps. We just want to give a little peek right here for where the mane will start. So just like I said, just imagine this curve coming down. Okay, so then we're going to fill up the mane area. So, well, before we do that, let's come out. We need to draw these ears, right? So let's come out, say about this area, come out in this, about right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Give myself a cute little ear. So I'm just going to draw a curve right here, and I'm going to come up nice and round, and about right here I'll come in, and we're going to thicken it up. There. So then now this tells you where the ears are. We're going to help us figure out the mane. Sorry, I need to bring it up a little bit higher. Okay, so then from there, let's come back to this area right here. And we're just going to use this as our guide to come back to here. So we're going to taper this out. And then so say about right here, I'm just going to go wobble. I'm going to wobble this curve and come down. There. And then we're going to draw the other ear right about here. So once again, it's another curve. And down. And just thicken it up. A curve for the other side. Okay, so then from there, let's see. Now we can come, imagine this is coming through. And so say about right here. We're just going to wobble a little bit and come down. And before we finish that part, let's come back here and we're going to finish off this part about here. Bring it down. So we're going to go back and forth, but we're going to give a lion here some long mane at the bottom here. So about right here. I'm going to bring this down to about right here. And then we're going to connect it. So come down with a curve. Come in. And connect. Just as if you're drawing this little hoodie for this lion right here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the easy part, simpler part, which is the oval for the body. So let's come right here and here. We're going to draw this little oval. So let's go right here. And we're just going to go ahead and connect it. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw the little feet. So I'm going to start with this one right about here in this area. So one, then connect. And then right next to it, say about right here. About the same size, try my best. And another one, and then one more at the same level, all right here. And one more in the back, so about right here. And connect. So just kind of touch our lion right here. There, so hopefully the feet, that looks right. And then the lion, I'm gonna add a tail even though the original doesn't have it, but I feel like our lion here needs a tail. So I'm gonna come about right here if you want to. I'm just gonna bring down a curve. A little bit thicker here, come to a point, and draw a little tail. There. And of course, I'll add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute lion from Roblox Adopt Me Pet. And this part is the trickiest part, right? But hopefully just step back, take a look, like make some adjustments. I feel like maybe I made my nose come out a little bit too much, so I'll definitely try to fix that. But let's see. That's pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw this cute lion fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.